How to share any product or item on Redbubble to Pinterest directly, easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any product or item on Redbubble fast. So first thing, go to Redbubble. Now let's just choose any product here in the home page. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one right here. I love this design. Now if you want to share it to Pinterest, first you can choose the product that you want it on it, or you can share the design directly. If you want to share it in Pinterest, click here and go down. You should be downloaded Pinterest on your phone. Just click on Pinterest like this, and here you go. It will take you directly to Pinterest and you can share it there. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.